Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll make methi ki roti or thepla, a very popular Gujarati dish. This recipe is very easy to make. So let's start. Friends, those who are new and not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Here I have taken a bunch of fresh methi leaves. Wash them thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Now finely chop them. As you can see, the leaves are very finely chopped. Now keep it aside. Now take a piece of ginger and 3 green chilies. So here I am crushing them. You can also grind them to a fine paste. Once it's crushed, just keep it aside. Now we'll prepare the dough. For that, take 1.5 cup of wheat flour, add 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan, add chopped methi leaves, which is around 1.5 cup. Now crushed ginger and green chili paste, add 1 teaspoon sesame seeds and 1 teaspoon carom seeds or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 cup of yogurt or dahi, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon oil. Now first mix everything together. Once the yogurt and the flour everything is mixed, take warm water. Here I have taken 1/2 cup of warm water. Add gradually to the dough as much as required. The consistency of this dough will be little softer than our normal chapati dough. Now cover the dough and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, just knead the dough once again. And divide it into small equal size balls. Apply some oil in your hand if needed. Like this, you can keep all the balls ready. Now dust some flour in the chapati roller and roll it to a thin roti. We have added yogurt in the dough, so it will be very soft. So while rolling, you can dust some extra flour if needed and it will absorb. Like this, you can roll it very thin. I can show you one more. Like this, you can roll all the rotis and keep it aside. Now heat a pan or tawa. Place the roti on tawa. Once it's cooked 30 seconds, flip it to the other side. Apply some oil. We'll cook these rotis very fast, not like a regular chapati. Once oil is applied, flip to the other side. And once you see the brown spots are there on the roti, we'll take it out. At this stage, we'll take it out. And these rotis will be very soft. After some time also you can eat it. Like this, you can make all the rotis. You can serve this thepla with some mango pickle and dahi. So friends, do try this recipe and share this video with your friends and family. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next with some more recipes.